NCOAE has provided me a place to call home when I was moving around a lot and I didn't have a place to stay.
Over the 3-4 years I've been with them, took me out of the drama and stuff from home and brought me to a new place to find myself.
They also taught me how to deal with the conflicts of life and how to deal with the stress from stuff I've been through and how to deal with the anxiety that I have.
It's given me courage and confidence to motivate me throughout school, throughout life.
NCOAE students in the Education Without Walls program is for those that are committed and dedicated teenagers in financial need. These students have been identified as chronically homeless in the state of North Carolina and/or fall at or below the federal poverty guidelines. As a result of this, their academics are at jeopardy. The dropout rate is high and their graduation from high school moving on to a college or university is very slim. So Education Without Walls is an outdoor education program that we focus on scholarshiping these students, bringing them into the NCOAE family in order to provide that structure and that role model that they need to be successful.
You're probably getting stuck in void again. No, help me up.
This Alaska trip, I really had to step up and be a leader, just because, 21 days, you're obviously going to be at somebody's throat. So I really had to step up and be someone that others looked up to. And so I took that initiative, and because of all the lessons and interpersonal skills that I had learned, it came with ease.
So the skills that I've learned through NCOAE and through this program has really helped me get through a lot of my struggles with being adopted and with moving around a lot. It's just really helped me get through those struggles, as well as realizing that it sucks, but I can get through it and make it in life, and I can go somewhere.
Every trip brings more responsibilities, which helps me get used to all the new things in life. It also impacts how I come home. I bring back a new me. Like, I want to do a lot more for the community. I want to help out my family a lot more. This helps me with college and helps me just start my life.
The transfer of learning back into their community and back into their home life is unprecedented due to the years of education and years of experiences that they've had with NCOAE.
I came back a changed man because of NCOAE. Before, I was immature. I didn't listen to what my parents said. I didn't follow the rules at school. I was slacking behind in school. And on this trip, they gave me time to find myself. NCOAE has taught me critical thinking, leadership, problem solving, and teamwork that I could transfer back to my community.
I feel now that I'm ready to meet my goals, exceed my goals, make new ones. This program has done so much, and I really don't know where I would be without it.
I feel like if I didn't get back in the program, I would still be sneaking out and getting in trouble and moving around. I don't think I would have been adopted last year. I probably would be in jail or something.
This Alaska experience for the students was a culmination of the past years of education that the students have had with us. It was really a rite of passage and an opportunity for them to utilize the skills trip after trip, year after year with us, taken to remote Alaska into the bush to navigate crevasses and traverse glaciers and summit peaks and bushwhack in one of the most remote areas in the United States.
NCOAE is my family. It's a strong, safe, stable place you can easily come to for anything, any problems. None of this would have been possible without the foundation of NCOAE. They have really changed my life, and they can change anybody else's who chooses to open up to them.